With PDK, you can pull 3 different kinds of reports: people, credentials, and events. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at events reports. These are the most commonly utilized reports by PDK users. To pull an event report, let's start by opening up the reports page and clicking on the events tab. Now hit the yellow button that says add report. First, give your report a name. Next, we need to narrow down what we're looking for. Click the Add Filter button and you'll see a bunch of different filter options. To show how powerful these reports can be, let's pull a report that goes over everything that's happened. To do this, we'll select Occurred. Now we need to set a period of time that we want to look at. Open up the drop-down menu and select one of the provided options, or input a custom time, and hit that yellow Save button. To actually view the report, click the Preview Report button. This will show you up to 50 of the most recent entries for the filters you've selected. Then hit the Submit button to run the report. The results of the report can be downloaded in the Retrieved Reports section. Reporting with PDK is super easy. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.